In this video, I want to talk about how you can fix the Black Ops 7 secure boot not enabled. Now, this means that you don't have secure boot on your PC, and if you search for system information, you should be able to find it in here, secure boot state. And if this says off, that means you are not running in the secure boot. Now, to do this, what you want to do is you want to close down your PC, and when it's booting up again, you want to press either delete, F2, F10, or F12. Usually it's one of these four buttons. And when you do this, it's going to open up the BIOS. In there, you just want to find secure boot and then press go. Now, once you do this, it should now be fixed. But if for some reason it's still not fixed, you just want to find your Black Ops 7, right click on it, properties, compatibility, and then try and activate these two. Press apply and OK, and then it should hopefully work. Now, I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.